everybody, my name is Ava and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to announce that this video is sponsored by Bell Bar Organic, a Black women-owned hair company. They offer customizable hair products that nourishes, strengthens, and promotes hair growth. The products they sent me include the restorative Hibiscus Hair Mask, which is a gorgeous color by the way, the intense Fenugreek Rejuvenation Mask, which is a very mild scent, the onion and garlic thickening hair oil, and 2 max samples, one of which is the henna strengthening hair gloss. Today's featuring products are the restorative Hibiscus Hair Mask and the onion and garlic thickening hair oil. You'll also need aloe vera gel, 2 measuring utensils, an oil of your choice, a mixing bowl including a spoon that they will provide, and any hair conditioner that you prefer. Now let's begin. I want you to take a look at my hair before using the products. It was extremely dry, very tangled, brittle, and just unhappy. My hair was screaming for help, girl, so let's take care of her. Boom. Section the hair into 6 parts. Let me just say that I'm very excited about this company because all of their products are handmade, vegan friendly, and include all natural ingredients. This is truly healthy hair food that you need in your life. After an hour, I review my hair and it is so soft and moisturized. Look at how the brush just glides through my hair. It feels very healthy, soft, and nourished. Now I put my hair into 4 sections and get ready to wash it all out. Time for the onion and garlic thickening hair oil. It definitely smells like onion and garlic, but the smell is not overbearing or too strong. So I lather the oil onto my hair, making sure I focus on my ends and my scalp. This is my hair after using the products from Bell Bar Organic. It feels so hydrated and moisturized, and it was very easy to style. It wasn't all hard and crusty like it was yesterday, and child, I am loving my fro. Shop with Bell Bar Organics and discover the beauty of their products. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everybody.